Hey guys, this is Snapshots and Risha's on the phone or camera. We are now in Seattle, Washington. Get ready to head out to our Canada. No, Alaska cruise. Yeah. Excuse me. First stop is in Canada.
No, the last stop is in Canada.
Okay, whatever she said. Turn around, shove in your room.
This is what? Suite 13640. So let's turn around, and here you go.
And this one has the two. You have the shower and tub, full tub.
Does it have that rain? Yeah, that I like. That you like.
Yes.
That rain shower. Whatever you call it.
And then the toilet bowl is on the other side.
This has the one with the automatic curtains, I think. And
still waiting for our luggage.
Yeah. Here's your large closet. Again, tons and tons of hangers.
And you also have the closet over on the other side.
Behind me? Yeah.
So you got tons of drawers, tons of closet. What's the RV have this much?
Here's the other one. Huh, there's no hangers in that one. This side, yeah. And that was just safe if you didn't see it already. Then you have all your drawers here.
And the
refrigerator. And they're deep, these drawers. They are deep. Your coffee, your waters, and if, okay, there we go. And the little refrigerator. It doesn't get really, really cold, but it's good enough. And then you have the couch, which I'm pretty sure this one does not open up. That was a question from one of our viewers the other time. That one doesn't, but we have our balcony, and they have the appropriate deck lounges. The last time we were on a ship, they had the regular kind, but we were supposed to have these types. And this is Seattle, Washington. You might as well say this is their typical cloudy, rainy, dreary day. See the needle over there, and I don't know if you can see that far over, but the arches, that's the football field, and they also have the baseball field out there. We are in port still. And there's another ship. It's the, I think you call it Celebrity Edge, but they're on the other side of us, so you cannot see it. Those are the two ships that are here today, and Pier 91. That's where we are. Okay. So I think that's about it as far as the tour of this room for now. And yeah.
See you later. See you on the sea.
Yeah. And Alaska. We'll show you some more pictures of that once we get there. We hope you all enjoyed this small tour of our junior suite here on the Anthem of the Seas. Stay tuned. We will show you more of Seattle, Washington, enjoying the sweet life. And oh yes, the team at Coastal Kitchen was excellent. And you might even find out if Snapshot found his whale he's been looking for. So stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching. Be safe. Enjoy your journey. And we hope to see you out on the road or the seas.
Nothing can compare. Campgrounds calling us. With stories intertwined underneath the sunset.